Guys, this is a sugar bell. This one is resistant to greening. It's kind of doubled in size the last few months. And look at all the new growth, all the new leaves. I love oranges. Obviously here in South Florida, we've had all the issues with the citrus canker and everything else, the greening, all those diseases. So citrus has been kind of, but they've been selling citrus for a while again. And I got me this sugar bell. Man, I can't wait. I love oranges, so it's looking really nice. But it's doing well. It's growing pretty well. I did have an issue with those big worms. I had to take like 3 or 4 that ate. You can still see some of the damage here, that it ate some of the leaves, but I caught them in time. And that's why you always have to be inspecting your trees. Sometimes we can't because you're on vacation or you just got a lot of work, and before you know it, a week has gone by, you haven't looked at anything, and you show up, and then either something dried out because you didn't water it, or your irrigation system, something's wrong with it, you don't even notice it, or you have worms and they ate half especially when they're small, ate half your tree. So you got to be checking your fruit trees. Definitely helps. Something you should always do every few days. Every day if you can, but every few days, kind of do a quick glance at your yard, see what's going on, and that way you can stay on top of things. But anyway, just want to share my orange tree. I'm pretty excited about it. Can't wait till a year or two go by and it kind of grows a good amount here, and I can start getting some oranges. Looking forward to that. All right, guys. Take care. God bless.